In this video, I'm going to do a couple of examples trying to find the exact value of each inverse trig expression or arc trig expression. The one thing you need to be careful of is where is this defined on what interval. So when we're working with arc sine of a half, we know this should be on the interval of negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. Now, what is arc sine of a half? Not sure, but we can do this. We can say that arc sine of a half is equal to something I don't know. And to get rid of the arc sine, what I can do is I can just take the sine of both sides. So I can take the sine of this, and then I can just take the sine of x as well. Now the sine and the arc sine will cancel out, leaving me with just a half, and then I have sine over here. So where is sine equal to a half on the unit circle? Well, I know it's only valid between negative pi over 2 to pi over 2, so just here. So where is sine equal to a half? Where is the y value only a half? Right here at pi over 6. It's the only place. So arc sine of a half is equal to pi over 6. Next we have arc cosine of root 2 over 2. Now again, on the interval, here it's a little bit different. The sine, it's from 0 to pi, so quadrants 1 and 2. Now again, what is this equal to? I don't know, but I know that it is equal to something. I can just say x. Then I can take the cosine of both sides, and I would end up with root 2 over 2 equals cosine x. Now where on the unit circle is cosine equal to root 2 over 2, but only on this interval 0 to pi. So when I'm looking for root 2 over 2, I'm just looking in these two quadrants here, and I can see that root 2 over 2, the x value is here at pi over 4. So arc cosine of root 2 over 2 is pi over 4. Next we have arc tangent of root 3 over 3. And this we have to be careful because the interval here is parentheses negative pi over 2 to pi over 2, whereas the other two intervals were brackets. Now what is this equal to? Don't know. But I'm going to do the exact same thing I did before, just set it equal to x because I don't know, and take the tangent of both sides. So I get root 3 over 3 equals tangent x. Now where is tangent x root 3 over 3? Well, I know it can only be in quadrants 4 and 1, so I'm going to go look. And on the unit circle, it doesn't actually tell me root 3 over 3. But I know that tangent is just y over x. And to get root 3 over 3, and since it's positive, it can't be in quadrant 4, it has to be in quadrant 1, then it has to be y over x. So 1/2 over root 3 over 2, when you work it out, would end up being root 3 over 3. So I know that arctangent of root 3 over 3 is pi over 6. So arctangent of root 3 over 3 is pi over 6. Last, we have arc cosine of 2. We know from before this is on the interval 0 to pi. And where is arc cosine of 2 equal to? Not sure. But I'll just set it equal to x and take the cosine of both sides. And move with 2 equals cosine x. And where is cosine x equal to 2 in the unit circle? If you look on here, nowhere. Even though we're restricted to the first two quadrants, nowhere is it equal to 2. So this is not defined. There is no solution for this one.